The federal government has raised concerns over the growing trend of the nation's population, pledging support to implementation of fertility reduction initiatives. Minister of Health Dr. Osagie Ehanire gave the indication at an event by the National Population Commission to commemorate the 2022 World Population Day in Abuja. Represented by Dr. Salma Anas-Kolo, the minister who affirmed the difficulty in achieving human capital development without fertility reduction, said measures are on by the ministry to ensure intensive monitoring and implementation of family planning services in the country. Other strategies, the minister added, includes mobilization of the private sector in the advancement of access to family planning commodities.
Every state government where they host the citizens of Nigeria, the federal government of Nigeria is a catalyst to support the state government. But the state government is responsible for the provision of services for their citizens, all health services, including family planning. Family planning commodity is an integral part of ROMCA, reproductive, maternal, newborn, and child health, including care of the elderly care within their states. So we have proposed, when we came, all of us have agreed, including the subnationals, to dedicate at least a minimum of 1% of their health budgetary allocation for the procurement and services for family planning commodity.
Meanwhile, the chairman of the National Population Commission, NPC, Honorable Nasir Kwarra, in his remarks, reinstated the Commission's determination to work with the revised national population policy aimed at improving the well-being of women and girls, as well as accelerate national and global developments.
The call to place emphasis on people requires looking beyond the numbers to according attention to profile and characteristics of the population, explained by the age structure, which shows the ratio of various age groups, which determines the current and prospective fertility stroke reproductive status of the population, the spatial distribution, socioeconomic status, mortality, mobility outcomes, and depending on the hemisphere, issues of insecurity and humanitarian emergencies. Therefore, focusing on numbers underplay the importance of rights and choices, necessitating the urgency to shift the conversation from quantity to quality and from liability to creating assets.
Meanwhile, the Deputy Country Representative of the United Nations Population Fund, Ms. Erica Godson, in her presentation, emphasized the need for bodily autonomy and protection of women and children.
To realize the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, Nigeria must foresee and comprehend the changing demographic of its people and establish how to use such population change to drive development at all levels of government. It is hoped that through the implementation of the National Development Plan, including the National Population Policy for Sustainable Development, this can be realized. Nigeria must build distinctive data-driven solutions that may help mitigate possible negative consequences and fully make use of the benefits that come along with demographic shift.
The theme of the 2022 World Population Day is Award of 8 billion towards a resilient future for all, harnessing opportunities and ensuring rights and choices for all. The global event is celebrated every July 11th to raise awareness on various population issues such as the importance of gender equality, maternal health, and human rights. CNN News.